So for letter C, again, I'm going to set up our fractions. So we've got this dz goes with mt, so 3/5. Zj goes with st, so 7/12, and then 10/16. So 3/5 cannot reduce, 7/12 cannot reduce, 10/16 can reduce, but if these can't reduce and they're not equal, they're not similar. So no, these cannot be proven side-side-side similarity. All right, then for the last one, I feel like these are the easiest ones to compare, 40/46 or 56. But then if you look at like this right here, this compares to this whole side. So you would actually go 15/15 plus 6. And that's 21. And then here you would say, okay, 20/20 plus 8, which is 28. So then I can start reducing those. All right, so 40 and 56, if we divide by 8, we get 5/7. Here, if we divide by 3, we get 5/7. And here, we could divide by 4 and get 5/7. So yes, it is similar. And we would say triangle UWY is similar to triangle VWX. All right, example 3 says using the side angle side postulate. So here we want to prove two sides proportional, one angle in between the sides congruent. So we have our angles. We can definitely check that off. Yes, they are congruent. They are the included angle between the two sides. Then HK matches up to GF. So 35/50 and 31.5/45. So I could divide 35 and 50 by 5. And that would give me 7/10. Okay, but then for these here, I need to multiply by 10 again because the 0.5 is in the tenths place. So I get 315/450. And if I reduce that by 45, we get 7/10. Okay. For part B, we could set up our proportion. And we see that we have our included angle right here. It's reflexive, meaning it's reflexive to itself. It means it's the same angle for both triangles. So here we would say, okay, 8/8 plus 2. And then 12/12 plus 3. And if I reduce both of those, that gives me 4/5 and 4/5. So yeah, it's similar. So we would have our triangle KLP is similar to triangle KMN. And here is the same way. I just forgot to write a similarity statement. Triangle EGF is similar to triangle JHK. Okay, letter C. We have these angles are congruent to themselves. And then we can say 6/24 and 12/48. So what, they reduce to 1/3 each. So yes, they are similar. And we get triangle SER and triangle GEF. And lastly, for letter D, this one's a little bit tricky. So if you look at your angles first, we know that these should be congruent, and they are, okay? But the issue is that they are not the included angle, meaning my angle should have been right here and right here, and it's not. It's over here. It's on the outside of the sides. So this is meaning that it is not similar by side angle side postulate.